Hey everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping 3 boxes of 2022 Bowman Chrome Baseball Choice for Ammo D. Good luck, Ammo. All right, no orders in queue, so this will be our last break of the day. Let's finish strong here for Ammo. I see good color. That is Refractor Auto to $4.99, Gavin Tonkel. And Base Auto, Yerlin Confidant. This is Orange Wave Auto to 25, Graham Ashcraft. Nice Orange Wave. All right, how about a super? This is Purple Refractor Auto to 250, Mason Hour. Nice. There you go, Ammo. Nice hit. Base Auto, Samuel Munoz. Nice Munoz, and Base Auto, Jose Rodriguez. All right, this will be our last box of the day. Let's finish with something crazy.
Some good color in the back.
Yeah. That is, come on, Refractor Auto to $4.99, Dante Williams. And Base Auto, Jorge Barrosa. On the back, this is Gold Shimmer Auto to 50, Jose Rodriguez. All right, Ammo, that'll do it for your boxes. Appreciate the purchase, and we'll get these right out to you.